Hi everyone, this is Rajesh Kumar. Today we'll see in this video how you can install Apache Spark in your Ubuntu OS. Basically, I'm explaining in this video for Ubuntu 18.04. You can install over any Ubuntu version by following this video. So first of all, what you need to do. You can first of all you can update and upgrade prerequisite libraries and dependencies. So for that one you can simply first go to terminal by searching, and you can do sudo apt-get upgrade, then update then upgrade. I just now updated my system and upgraded both one, so I don't need to do again. You must do this before installing this Apache Spark. So first you need to write sudo apt-get update, then after this you need to write sudo apt-get upgrade. After this, what you need to do is you have to install Java, because in Apache Spark you have to install Java, because most of the things require Java dependencies, Java libraries, Java environment. So for that one, what you have to do, you can install Java by using simply just type sudo add apt repository for this particular Java. You need to mention your credentials. After that it will install repository, and it is asking whether you want to continue or not. Depends on your will. Just enter to continue. If you want to cancel at any moment, you can simply cancel. Just you need to press C. So we are going to install it, so we need to enter. So just wait until okay, it's at this turn. So just update the current software dependencies. So it has been updated. So what you need to do, you need to install Java Oracle. If it is not working, you can some candidate is having, you can update by using a default. This way you can also update it. So this is how the installer have been updated. So if you want to verify your Java version, this way you need to write Java /version. So you can check here, like we are having Java version 15.0.2, which has been updated on 2020-1/19. It means 19th Jan it has been updated, and we are using Java SE runtime environment build for this version. So this is how we can check the Java version. The next thing, if it is not working, these commands, if it is not working for some OS or some lapis, you can simply use these also. So like for I already said, you can update at any moment if you want. And if you want to install this particular JDK version, because we need these things, I will recommend you to install the latest one for JDK, JRE, and whatever required for this one. So just follow these instructions clearly, you will get everything how to install Apache one. So this is how. Next one, you need to add this repository, particular this Nilix pursuing, which we already did. So you don't need to write again and again, but just for showing purpose I am entering this one. You can install, you can update these things, Java installer. So it is working. So let's wait until it's okay. Then it is showing some installation candidate, but it is, don't worry about that, we will configure it. So for the next thing, what you can do is you have to add this one, which we already, let's wait, and after update we'll see these things. We can update this Java 15 default ones, so you can do these things. If it is not working in most of the system, it gets, but sometimes when it knows to work. So the next thing what you have to do, simply you need to install Oracle Java 15 because it is the latest one. So this is how you can see. So the next thing you can either install this, because in Apache Scala is used, so you can simply install by already install these things, so it is not taking time. But when you start installing first time, it may took some times depending on your speed of your network. This is the folder I just mentioned, temporary folder of your Mozilla one, means whatever the browser you may use for Ubuntu temporary, then your browser name. And I just installed Apache Spark. I installed 2 Spark version. This is the latest one. So this is the file directory where your Spark gets. So the next thing what you have to do is installing Apache. So for installing Apache, you can either directly go to this particular file from this version. Like from here you can see latest release. You can download either from here, you can download like a tar file, or you can simply use this command wget. It will automatically download. And what you need to do, just to show that just now I have downloaded this 2 Spark version. Previously I have downloaded for 2.3. now I have downloaded for 3.1.1 bin Fado. So when you download this, it will get downloaded for as an extension of .tz. So to extract it, you need to mention tar and xvzf, and whatever the version you are having, simply just mention it. It will extract whole file. And after then you have to move the particular file from one directory to another one. Because I already moved one, so it is saying directory is not empty, because I already created Spark, so inside that one. So the next step is to configure the environment, because when you download it, you need to configure, depends on your system. So simply you have to write echo and then go export Spark. You can I'll mention these things in my comment section. I'll give this link for this PPT so that you don't need to worry what to write and where. So simply just copy and source.profile. It will configure the environment. So the next thing is how to start your Apache Spark. So for starting and closing, you need to type start master /sh. So you can write start master. So you have to like go this one, like you can simply go start master .sh. It will start. Okay, already started, so we need to stop with this. So how we can stop? We can stop it by writing stop master.sh. so the service gate is stopped. So if you want to like verify, just open your browser. So what you need to mention, localhost :8080, because on this port local or local services will run. So currently we are not having any local services, so it is showing there is nothing to be shown. But if you want to start our service, you need to simply write start master.sh, so it will get started particular on these things. So let me show you what does it mean. So when we just start our service on localhost, it gets started, means when we just it means we successfully configure and install Apache Spark on our Ubuntu 18.04. So this is the steps to follow. You can simply follow this tutorial and you can simply configure this. So just a second, just stop it, so that you will get better. What does it mean? When we just stop this service, when you again refresh this, it is showing like unable to connect, because you just stop the service, and again when you start the service, it will get again started. So this is how I think we didn't start it, so we need to start. Okay, we need to stop first, then we need to start, then let's wait. Now this thing is again gets started. So this is how, if we want to make or run some applications, so we can add further applications and we will show some applications. But in this video our main motive is to install this Apache Spark on local host. So this is how we successfully configured it. So this is, thanks for watching. Let me show you one more thing, like if you want to see your Spark shell, what you can type simply Spark shell, it will show you the shell configuration of Spark. So how it looks like and what are their versions, it will show here, like which version of Spark we are using. So let's just wait for a few minutes. I think it will show, it is saying like a Spark session available as a Spark, it is showing it is running. Okay, so this is how our Spark looks like. And in my tutorial I said you like Spark is using this, like we are having this our configurations like here, the root and everything. In Spark we are using as a Scala. Here I have mentioned this Scala one, something called this thing is Scala, install Scala. So that's it, how we successfully configured our Spark Apache on our local host. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching this video.